Hello friends, today we are going to learn about arrays in Java. What is meant by an array actually? An array is a structure created in the memory to represent more than one value or elements under a single declaration of a variable. That means in one variable you can have multiple values. Now, explanation is that suppose you have so many personal memorandas. Assume yourself to be the class teacher of your class and you have so many personal memorandas of various children in your class. And you keep all of them in a file so that you can identify them by their roll numbers and use them whenever required. So, the above definition can be understood by this simple concept. So, you take all the personal memorandas and transfer them, or in other words file them to your file and use it by recognizing the roll numbers. Now these arrays have got something similar to roll numbers which are called subscripts, which I'll be telling you in my later videos, but you need to know this much now. Now what is the need of arrays in Java? Instead of creating different variables in order to assign different values by using arrays, we can declare more than one element or value under the same declaration. We can also allot the space for each array in Java. Therefore, we need not create a separate variable for each separate value. Now, what does this mean? Suppose you have one variable and you want to, suppose the variable is integer and you want to accept 100 numbers. You can't declare 100 variables, right? So in this way the arrays are useful. Now let us take the example of the personal memorandas only. I have not kept one file for each personal memoranda but used only one file for various memorandas. Now I have a dual advantage because of this, because it does not consume a lot of space
and it also saved my time to file each personal memoranda in one file. Now the same advantages are obtained by using arrays in Java also. Arrays also make it easier to perform calculations in the root. Example, consider for integer is equal to 1 and integer I is equal to 0 and I is less than equal to 10 comma I plus plus. Now integer m, integer parse int in dot readline accepts an integer. In the above Java statements we can input the value for 10 times using the loop as shown, and then all the 10 numbers can be added. That we will be learning afterwards. This is just, you need to know that in for loop we can work smart but not hard. You should learn this by arrays. Now the syntax to declare an array. Please pay attention to the syntax to declare array. This is the way you are going to declare arrays. Now data type array name is equal to new data type size, or data type square brackets array name new data type size. Okay, now we are going to see some information about the above stated statements. The above statements can be shortened and simplified by just writing as data type array name value 1, value 2, value 3, value